Hi people, just a quick dog house build today, a budget one from old pallets and some scrap wood someone was selling for £5 a bundle. So this entire project cost me £20. It's about $25 US. Alright, so we just made the frame up like this, got some old cupboard doors and screwed them on the top. Lovely. That bottom blue pallet is a Euro pallet. It's 1 metre by 1 metre 20. So about 3 foot by 4 foot, just to give you an idea of size. He is a fairly big dog. So once your basic frame is done and secure, you can start to put the panelling on. One at a time, 10 lengths per side. Absolutely lovely. Works out £5 per side. Once the pieces of wood was cut, it took about 20 minutes a side to finish. For some scrap wood in bundles, I think this looks pretty good. Me and the wife built this about 6 feet forward of where we want it, because we obviously had to be able to bang in all those nails on the back panel there. And also I'm going to put a torch on felt roof on it, so we don't want to set fire to the neighbour's fence. Okay, so here's the first sheet of torch on felt. I just heated it up and let it fall over at the sides. That's stuck at the sides. I'm going to go on with clout nails and then put a capping board over the top when I'm done. So this is torch on felt that I had over from a job where I'd done a garage roof for someone. So that's free, and you just put it on with this burner. It is a special burner, don't try and do it with a blowtorch. You could of course just use normal garden shed felt. And there we are. Both pieces of felt on and the capping boards round, so that's not going anywhere. That's good for about 20 years, that felt. Bonus, the dog likes it. Right, it is getting quite late now. It's about 6:30 on a Sunday evening, so I'm going to leave the front for tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow's arrived and I've spent another hour and a half just finishing off the front here so that the dog doesn't get wet or cold when it rains or it's windy. And yes, my dog does live in the garden because he's a dog. And dogs should live outside. Because that's what they do in nature. They're not built for central heating, heated houses. So, that's my point of view across. I mean, if you disagree, leave a comment, but I'll just delete it. Because dogs live outside. Especially big dogs like this one. He also smells. So there we are, job done, 20 quid. I mean, pallets are free. You can find this wood anywhere, so I'd say £20 about right. If you had to buy the roofing felt, you might pay another £20 for some of that cheap old garden shed felt. So you'd pay £40 total job. Go and try and buy this, it would cost you a couple of £100. Wife's happy, dog's happy, I'm happy.